Humble your way down. Bridge stop. Right over here. Humble your way down. Bridge stop. Right over here. Humble your way down. Humble your way down. Fall down. Kind of reminds me when I went rambling in Pennsylvania.
Hey, Mom. So you enjoying yourself? Kinda. 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 Get in front of me. I need to see you. Come on. It's a big cliff over here. Get in front of me. Oh my goodness, this hurts. No, it doesn't. You're just scared. Go. Go up to the tree. Okay, help me. That you don't want any. Hello, I am dead. Hello, I am dead. Hello, I am dead. Death, you don't want any. Cross the bridge, baby. Here we go. On the bridge of bridges. Okay.
I'm right here in the middle. We're good.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh my freaking goodness. Oh geez. I don't think we're all supposed to walk at the same time. Was there a sign back there that should have given us instructions? Oh God. It's shaking. I gotta wait for him to get off. I'm wobbling. Yes. No, stay where you are. You don't need to come back.
Expected to be worried.
No matter what we do.
Look at that guy.
I'm doing my own thing.
It just shakes back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. All the other ones are flowing with the air.
And he's like, no!
Look, it's moving faster as we're talking about it. I've seen this before on episodes of Strange Evidence, man.
What's strange evidence about?
You want to go out and touch it, Tyson?
No.
Come on.
Nah.
Come on, go out and touch it.
Nah. That's genuine UFO.
Look, all the other leaves around are just flowing up and down, up and down.
Someone take it. Good. Someone take it. Good. Someone take it. Good.
Oh, it stopped moving. It like sensed you were coming or something. Oh, there it is. There it is. It's still shaking. It's still shaking.
Hi, buddy.
Don't flap it. Don't. Did you feel anything? No?
Beautiful it is. See? Even narrating did the best job. You even get the editing too. Wow. Beep.
You want to come over here?
You're gonna
Nicole?
have to. You're gonna have to.
It's no accident we're being targeted. It comes with the territory of our research. But we're not giving up. Stay safe, my friends.